Hello everyone, I already made a video in the same topic and I got a very good response. So decided to make one more video in a better way. Let's start the video.
So first we will start from two-digit numbers. 1 digit and 2 digit. So right hand side number we will say this as ones place, and this is we will tell tens place. For example, if you have 29, then 9 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. In this way we will denote the numbers, position of their numbers. And how we will write this number in words. Here you can see this is 2 and this is on tens place. We will write this 20. This ty, we will add ty at the end of tens place number apart from 1. So 20 and this is 9. We will write 9 as it is. We will write ones place number as it is 9. So in this way we will write 29. Now 41. 1 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. We will add ty, 40, ty, and we will write 1 as it is. In this way we will write two-digit numbers. This is very easy. Now come to three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers. We know this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. In the way we were adding ty at the end of tens position number, in the same way we will add 100 on the third number, this place number. For example, if this is 391, then we will write 3, we will add 100, now come to second one, 9, so we will add ty, 9t, and we will write 1 as it is, 91. Let's see one more example. 8, 7, 6. How we will write this number in words? This is ones place, this is tens, and this is 100. Now 8, this is on 100 place, we will add 100, 800. This is 7t, we will add ty at the end of the number, 70, and we will write 6 as it is, 76. So on the position of tens number we will add ty, and on the position of 100 we will add 100. Let's go to next step. 4-digit number. This is ones, this is tens, 100, and this is 1000. As I told you, we were adding 100 after the number. We will add 1000 after the number. For example, if it is 4, 9, 2, 1. How we will write this number in words? We will first write 4 and we will add 1000 because this is on the position of 1000 place. We will write 4000. Now come to next 9. We will write 9 and then 100. We will add 100 because it is on the 100 place position. Now come to 2. We will write 20 because we add ty at the tens position. 20 and we will write 1 as it is. 1. In this way we will write 4-digit number in words. Let's see one more example. 5, 1, 2, 0. This is ones place, tens, 100 and 1000. Now start from 5. We will write 5 and add 1000 here. Come to 1. We will write 1 and add 100 here. 100. 100. Now come to 2. We will add ty. 20. And we will write 0 as it is. 0. In this way we will write 4-digit number. We will see one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 7, 8, 1. We will start from 1. This is ones place, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Now we will write 1 and add 1000 here because it is on the thousands place position. We will write 8 and add 100. 800. We will write 70. We will add ty. 70. And we will write 5 as it is. 75. Let's see 5-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 9, 5, 6. This is, we know, ones, tens, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. Now, how we will write? We will write this as a similar way. We were writing this tens position. We were adding ty here. Again, we will add ty here. We will write 60, and then we will come to 5 position. 65, 1000. This is 9. 9. We will add 100. 100. This is 1 and this is 2. So we write this 12. Again, next 5-digit number. This is ones position. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1000. And this is 10,000. Now we will start from here. Again I will repeat, as same of this position we were adding ty here, we will add ty here. So we will write 20. This is 2, we will write 20. If here it is 3, then we will write 30. So it is 20, and now come to this position, 8. EIGST, 8. 1000, we will add 1000. 2, we will add 100. 100. 4, we will write 4 T, because this is tens position, we will add ty for T, and this is 3, 43. In this way we will write 5-digit number. I will make one more video on 6-digit number, 7-digit number.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Have a nice day.